back to Sunrise. Step inside the Sunrise Insurance Lounge, and today is all about our cars and making sure you're covered the right way before you head out or skate on the toll. We're joined by branch supervisor at BCIC, the British Caribbean Insurance Company Limited, Mesha-Gaye Ruddock. She's here to chat with us about car insurance. That's right, the thing that we all need, but sometimes we don't want to pay.
Oh, some people don't really understand.
What's there to not understand? Well, some people don't understand.
You're right.
So Mesha-Gaye is going to break it down for us, share some tips, and help us figure out how to keep our rides and ourselves safe on the road. First of all, Mesha, thanks for joining us again. Always a pleasure having you in studio.
Good morning.
So insurance, everybody on the road needs to have insurance, not just for yourself, but for the other person. Why is it so important?
First of all, it's required by law.
Yes.
So regulatory, you are required to have car insurance or motor insurance. The bare minimum would be third-party insurance. So that is you covering others. But we also have policies that can cover for fire and theft. And that can also extend to cover for damage to your vehicle.
You mentioned the ones that I think we hear about all the time. We've become very familiar with, you know, comprehensive or third party, but I've always seen you guys in the space talking about, you know, you have very specialized packages for people who may not have the ability to fork out a chunk at one go. Walk us through some of those.
For sure.
offers.
So the third party policy is one that we zoom in on simply because it's so affordable. We've made it so affordable for our customers. They can pay as little as $50 per day. As little as $50 per day. So essentially it covers you for the bare minimum, yes, but a little above that in terms of you being protected for others.
Is that what you guys call smalls?
That's what we call our smalls product, yes.
All right, you just pay a smalls.
Just a smalls.
It makes sense. One thing I find fascinating about the back end of insurance, the side that we don't see, is the side of the mathematicians who calculate what the insurance should be. The people who go to school and study nothing but that, and then they go and work for insurance companies. I remember when I was 23, 24, trying to get my first car, and I found this particular car, one fast car, with my young license, and then they told me the insurance, and I was like, no, can't buy that.
Because 1 plus 1 always going to equal 2, so you're high risk, right?
So like you calculate, you know, young youth, fast car, your insurance is different. Tell us about on that side why some people's insurance costs more and some people's insurance costs less.
The truth is, I mean, you have to look at the business and identify certainly which risks work better for your business. So everything is priced differently based on your age, the vehicle make. There are different aspects that equate to the price. But at BCIC, we make it so easy for you because we have payment plans. You know, you can choose from 4 to 11 months to pay back monthly. Yeah.
You know what I love? You know that there is lady-driven, actually, there's a thing to lady-driven. Them say we're not so risky.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah, that's the truth. Because, I mean, again, when you study the numbers, the women drive differently than the men. Older men drive differently from young men, and so forth and so
there
on.
are different rating factors that we factor in.
But tell me about the easy pay.
Right. So the easy pay, like I said, it makes it very affordable for the customer, where they can opt from 4 up to 11 months to pay back monthly, whatever the price is.
And what about the hustle?
The hustle, no. So you dictate the price. So a customer comes in and they say, boy, I only have $20,000. We will provide you cover for that amount. And that period.
And that, so you can know what you need at this particular time.
Correct.
And you go
Correct.
for that.
So essentially, we're making it available to you to dictate your price.
Terms.
Yeah, on your terms.
Kind of like have it your way, kind of.
Your way. I love it. I love it. Just like that.
I like that because you know it's like you come. It's almost a what do you call it in fashion? It's like it's tailor-made. There's a word for it anyway. But there's a word for it. It's going to come to me. But it's almost like bespoke car insurance.
Indeed.
How have you studied the market to try to give products that, you know, that are unique to the needs of the people, of your customers?
At BCIC, we look at our customer base from the outside in. So how it is that we show up for our customers is definitely impediment on them, what they want. So we identify identify their needs, such as, you know, what they can afford, which is why we developed our smalls product. The hustle, you know, we identify that some customers don't want cover for a full year. They want short-term insurance, and they want to be able to pay for what they can afford and the period. So we develop things like those products for them. Another very fantastic product that we have at BCIC, we call it our Minimax, or our motor repair. It's like a third-party policy with a little benefit for repairs to your vehicle.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
we're the only one in the market with that one.
You say only one in the market, and it's funny because that's where I was going, that the market traditionally has these one-size-fits-all policies,
Right. More so.
and you are now going in a different direction. I feel like I'm
Absolutely.
stepping into a store with just so many different things
Absolutely.
that for a special fit.
Yeah.
I really like that, and I want to commend BCIC for doing that. Is there anything new coming up in the future in that regard?
Boy, you know, we're always innovating. We pride ourselves as the innovators in the market, and we listen to the customers and try to identify what they need. But for right now, the products that we do have out, you know, our Minimax or Smalls or third party, which we'll be pushing heavily because it's so affordable, or comprehensive package. We also have a Diamond Max package, which covers persons over 60. It's specially tailored for those. So we are always looking to be the innovators to provide that special package for you.
Persons are watching now and they're saying, wait a minute, speaking my language, I need more info. Where do they get that?
You can go to bciconline.com or you can call us at 922-1260. We'll definitely be ready to provide more info.
Excellent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Our guest was Mesha-Gaye Ruddock, Branch Supervisor at British Caribbean Insurance Company Limited, BCIC. TK is up next with the news. More Sunrise after the break. Don't move.